Welcome to part 6. This is a very exciting part of your build because this is where you finally get to finish your boat. Now you're going to seal your boat. This will protect your boat and make it stronger. First, turn your boat over. Then, sand your boat smooth, inside and out. After that, it's really important to clean your boat very thoroughly. Vacuum it first and then wipe the boat down with turps or epoxy thinner. After that, you're going to mix your boat coat resin and use a roller or a brush to apply it to the entire outside of the hull. Then you'll need to allow it to set and dry. Your boat is nearly built. Next, you're going to attach the gunnels to strengthen your boat. Clamp the gunnels all the way around the edge of the boat and then temporarily drill and screw the gunnels into place. Don't glue your gunnels in place just yet because we're going to have to take them off to fit the breast hook and the quarter knees that go into the pointy bow and the two corners at the back seat. Use a plane to angle the sides of the breast hook and the quarter knees so that they fit down into your boat. You'll need to go very slowly, just taking off a little bit at a time and doing lots of test fits to make sure that you get an exact fit without big gaps. Remember, it's easy to take the wood off, but you can't put it back on. Then unscrew the gunnels and glue and screw the breast hook and the quarter knees into place before reattaching the gunnels with the screws again. Then use your hand plane to flatten the edges of the gunnels, the plywood and the quarter knees and the breast hook so that they form a nice edge to your boat. You can also bevel the sharp end of the gunnels to make sure that you don't hurt your fingers when you're lifting it. Now the final stage. If you want, you can fill any rough pieces of your boat and then sand your boat nice and flat. Next, clean your boat up, ready for the most exciting part of the whole build, painting. After we vacuumed our My First boat, we used turps to wipe her down. Remember, it's all about preparation. Your painting will look so much better if your boat is ready and clean. The paint finish that you use is completely up to you. We used a marine enamel with a white undercoat. You'll notice that Gene is taking his time and making sure that he's getting right up under the corners so that he has a good seal on his boat. We used 2 undercoats, but remember to read the can and find out how long you have to leave it between coats to allow the paint to set hard before putting the next one on.
This is actually a really good
Our My First boat was bright red, just so that it could go faster. So to make the red go on easier, we mixed our last coat of undercoat with half of the top coat. That's why it looks a bit pink. But it meant that we got a smoother finish and we had to use less of the top coat overall. We can't wait to see how you choose to decorate your boat. Remember to keep the final touches for the festival. And congratulations, because guess what? That means you have done it and it's time to launch your My First boat and test to make sure it floats. It's just fantastic. Can you believe it? You have built a boat and it floats. I can't wait to see what it looks like at the festival, and hopefully you'll get many days of enjoyment in the sun, paddling your My First boat on some very grand adventures.